Good morning, children. Welcome to our EVS class. Today we will learn the remaining exercise of lesson 11. The name of the lesson is Our Neighborhood. Page number 47 and 48. Exercise heading is Tick the correct answer. We have to choose the correct answer. Number 1. The people who live in our neighborhood are our options are given in the bracket. The people who live in our neighborhood. NEIGHBOURHOOD neighborhood are our friends. FRIENDS friends. Parents. PARENTS parents. Neighbors. NEIGHBOURS neighbors. Another option is grandparents. Grandparents. PARENTS grandparents. The people who live in our neighborhood are our neighbors. Neighbors is the correct answer. NEIGHBOURS neighbors. The people who live in our neighborhood are our neighbors. NEIGHBOURS neighbors is the correct answer. Then number 2, when we are sick, we are examined by a when we are sick. SICK sick means बीमार होता है. We are examined. EXAMINED examined means जांच करता है. जब हम लोग बीमार होता है हम लोग को देखभाल करता है कौन? पुलिसमैन. ऑप्शंस पुलिसमैन, फायर फाइटर, नाइबर, डॉक्टर. पुलिसमैन who catches the thieves, firefighter who put off the fires, and neighbor means padosi. Then doctor who examine us when we are sick. The doctor examine us. The doctor examine us when we are sick. So what is the correct answer? Doctor. DOCTOR doctor. When we are sick, we are examined by a doctor. Doctor spelling DOCTOR doctor. Number 3, from a post office, we buy stamps, vegetables, fruits and milk. From a post office. POSTOFFICE post office. From a post office, we buy buy stamps, vegetables, fruits, milk. From a post office. Post office means डाकघर. DPOST post office. OFFICE post office. From a post office we buy. हम लोग क्या खरीदता है पोस्ट ऑफिस से? स्टैम्प्स, envelopes, cards etc. we will buy. Vegetables सब्जियां, fruits फल, milk दूध. कौन सा करेक्ट आंसर है? विच इज़ द करेक्ट आंसर? फ्रॉम ए पोस्ट ऑफिस वी बाय स्टैम्प्स. STAMPS stamps. From a post office we buy stamps. Number 4, trains. TRAINS trains arrive and depart from. Trains रेलगाड़ी. arrive 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 आता है. depart 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 means जाता है. from bus stop. from a bus stop we will get buses. from the airport we can go in an aeroplane. railway station. The trains arrive and depart from the Railway station. RAILWAY. Railway station. STATION. Railway station. Trains arrive and depart from railway station is the correct answer. Trains arrive and depart from railway station. RAILWAY. Railway station. STATION. Railway station. Number 5. We buy fruits, vegetables, eggs, bread from shops, hospital, post office. Where we get fruits, vegetables from the shop, from the market. We buy fruits, vegetables, eggs, bread from shops. Which is the correct answer? Shops. Hospital, when we are sick, we are go to hospital. Post office, we send and receive from the letters and packets from the post office. So what is the correct answer? Shops. We buy fruits, vegetables, eggs, bread from the shops. We buy fruits, vegetables, eggs, bread from shops. Where we get fruits, vegetables, eggs, etc. we get from the shops. Number 6. Aeroplane lands at and takes off from the aeroplane आता जाता कहाँ से? Airport, bus stop, hospital. Hospital is the wrong answer. When we are sick, we are go to hospital for medicines. Then bus stop, we get buses from the bus stop. Airport, aeroplane lands and takes off from the airport. So which is the correct answer? Airport. What is the spelling of airport? AIR, airport. PORT, port. What is the spelling of airport? AIRPORT, airport. So once again children, the name of the exercise is take the correct answer. We have to choose the best correct answer. Number 1. The people who live in our neighborhood are our friends, parents, neighbors and grandparents. The people who live in our neighborhood are our neighbors. Number 2. When we are sick, we are examined by a options: policeman, firefighter, neighbor, doctor. When we are sick, we are examined by a doctor. Number 3. From a post office, we buy stamps. From a post office, we buy stamps. We get stamps, envelopes, card, etc. We get from the post office. Number 4. Trains arrive and depart from bus stop, airport and railway station. Which is the correct answer? Railway station. Trains arrive and depart from the railway station. Number 5. We buy fruits, vegetables, eggs, bread from shops, hospital and post office. Which is the correct answer? From the shops. We buy fruits, vegetables, eggs, bread from shops. Number 6. Aeroplane lands at and takes off from the airport, bus stop and hospital. Correct answer is airport. Aeroplane lands at and take off from the airport. Write in your copy. Thank you.